Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue on your Windows device when attempting to install Net Framework or perhaps another application and says that the timestamp, signature, and or certificate cannot be verified or is malformed. For more information about this problem, see the log file. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So I'd recommend starting by opening up the Start button and then select the power icon. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. So again, hold down the Shift key and then select Restart while holding down the Shift key. And it should say, please wait. So just give it a moment here. You want to select, or just choose an option, select Troubleshoot, and then select Advanced Options, and select Startup Settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select Restart. Tap the F7 key to disable driver signature enforcement, so tap F7. And now proceed with the installation of the program you're having the problem with. In this case, it might have been Net Framework. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do apologize I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.